What's up guys, it's me, Bradley, from Bradley's Adventures, and today we're going to be flipping compost. Let's get right into it. Okay guys, it's me, Bradley. I've had this compost pile going probably since about November time. So we're going to go ahead and pull up these stakes. Actually, we could even just take off this netting so that we can flip it to the next part. So we'll go ahead and pull these stakes out as well. The stakes are stuck in the ground pretty good. Just put them here for right now. And I have a bucket of food scraps that we're going to be adding to it. So this is the compost. I've only flipped this about 2 times. So we're going to start flipping it right through here. And I'll go ahead and bring you guys in closer for a better look. Okay guys, so this compost consists of goat manure, shredded up old paper, old food scraps, newspaper, straw, different stuff like that. And it's actually breaking down pretty good. Okay guys, we'll go ahead and bring you in close here. As you can tell, there's quite a bit of still organic matter that needs to be broken down. There's some night crawlers in there. So it looks like it's breaking down pretty good. We should have it by May time or so when we plant our garden. So I guess we'll just keep on flipping it in. And I have a bucket of food scraps that we're going to be adding into it. Actually, that's a rock, and I don't want any rocks. Just toss that out of the way. Okay, so we'll go ahead and grab our food scraps in a little 5-gallon bucket I have. And this has all sorts of different things in it. Coffee grounds. Oh yeah, that's all gross. Okay, so here's the food scraps if you guys can't see them. So go ahead and spread them out, break it up. This has some cantaloupe rinds, potato peels, coffee grounds, all sorts of stuff that the worms will enjoy. Old apple. So just keep on flipping stuff onto it. Actually, this has broken down more than I thought it has. It's looking really nice. This has tons of microorganisms, bacteria, and this is actually really cool what I just found. Must have tossed some garlic in there, because that's a garlic clove that sprouted. Actually, it's 2 garlic cloves. So that's pretty cool. We'll just toss it in there and let it keep on breaking down. And this summer, hopefully I can do some more composting videos. And I'm going to try doing a 18-day grass compost that will be really good. Right here, some of the little worms I was talking about. This is looking great. Just gonna come back here, get another big scoop. some of the leaves I've added over time has matted up, so we'll go ahead and break those up. And for a compost pile to get hot, you want it about 3 foot by 3 foot by 3 foot. So this one is definitely 3 foot wide, 3 foot tall, and 3 foot long. If anything, it was probably 4 foot tall before it actually started breaking down. So we should be having some more videos coming in the future. We'll do another video because I have some seeds in the mail that will be here in a little bit. So we'll go ahead and do a seed video. And I'm just going to time lapse this until we get done. Okay guys, so as you can tell, we're getting closer to the end of it, and as you can tell that I am breathing heavily. This is a great workout, and probably have a little bit more, but you can make composting fun. It doesn't have to be a chore, and you can have your kids come out and play with you. Have it as a family workout. So we're almost done here. Okay, just a little bit more to the top, and typically you can look at it, and if it's too dry you'll need to soak it down, but my thing is plenty wet enough. And if it's too wet, you can add some organic material to break it down. And if you want to start a compost pile, I'll be doing a video about that this spring, but I'll just give you a little bit right now. It's really easy. You want 3 to 4 parts brown stuff, which can be dead material, leaves, stuff like that, to like 1 part green stuff, grass clippings, garden waste. There's a pretty decent worm. Tons of stuff like that. So as I got to the bottom, I'm seeing way more worms because they'll work themselves up to the top. Try getting everything off my pitchfork. Okay guys, that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and comment, and bye.